Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about civil engineering MCQs for JE of different exams. For hot-rolled steel section design of beams as per Indian Standard Code, a laterally supported beam means A. Web is restrained. B. Compression flange is restrained. C. Tension flange is restrained. D. Web thickness is more than 10 mm. The correct answer is B. Compression flange is restrained. End returns in fillet welds should not be less than A. Twice of size of the weld. B. 1.5 times of size of weld. C. Size of the weld. D. 0.5 times of size of weld. The correct answer is A. Twice of size of the weld. Maximum width of crack in reinforced concrete, water-retaining structures is restrained to A. 0.20 mm. B. 0.01 mm. C. 0.30 mm. D. 0.05 mm. The correct answer is A. 0.20 mm. As per is 456, a concrete column may be considered as short when its slenderness ratio is less than A. 20. B. 12. C. 15. D. 18. The correct answer is B. 12. Note the slenderness ratio, or simply slenderness, is the quotient between the height and the width of a building. In design of heel of cantilever reinforced concrete retaining wall, the main steel is usually provided at A. Top. B. Bottom. C. Center. D. Both at top and center. The correct answer is A. 70%. Maximum spacing of vertical stirrups permitted in reinforced concrete beam having depth D is A. 0.25 d, B. 0.50 d, C. 0.75 d, D. 2.0 d. The correct answer is C. 0.75 d. Note references 456-2000, Clause 26.5.1.5, Maximum spacing of shear reinforcement. In nominal mix of concrete designated by 1:2:4, the values indicates the proportion of A. Coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, cement, B. Cement, water, aggregate, C. Aggregates, cement, water, D. Cement, fine aggregates, coarse aggregates. The correct answer is D. Cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. Design of column strip and middle strip is carries out separately for A. Waffle slab, B. Ribbed slab, C. Flat slab, D. Cantilever slab. The correct answer is B. The presence of uncombined lime in cement. Note a waffle slab or two-way joist slab is a concrete slab made of reinforced concrete with concrete ribs running in two directions on its underside. The name waffle comes from the grid pattern created by the reinforcing ribs. Waffle slabs are preferred for spans greater than 40 feet, 12 m, as they are much stronger than flat slabs. Flat slabs with drop panels, two-way slabs, one-way slabs, and one-way joist slabs. The main advantage of adding pozzolana in cement is A. Reduce cost and permeability of concrete. B. Longer life. C. Slower setting time. D. Faster setting time. The correct answer is A. Reduce cost and permeability of concrete. To prevent local crushing of the web due to concentrated loading, which type of stiffeners are provided? A. Torsion stiffeners. B. bearing stiffeners. C. Load-carrying stiffeners. D. Diagonal stiffeners. The correct answer is B. Bearing stiffeners. Note: transverse web stiffeners are usually provided at bearing positions, and these are known as bearing stiffeners. The full form of CPM is A. Construction project method. B. Critical project method. C. Critical path method. D. Critical program method. The correct answer is C. Critical path method. The CPM network analysis is a based method useful for A. Activity, construction projects. B. Event, construction projects. C. Event, research and development projects. D. Activity, research and development projects. The correct answer is A. Activity, construction projects. The PERT network analysis is a based method useful for A. Activity, construction projects. B. Event, construction projects. C. Event, research and development projects. D. Activity, research and development projects. The correct answer is C. Event, research and development projects. What is minimum edge distance from center of the bolt of diameter D to nearest edge of the plate in case of rolled, machine flame cut, swan and planed edges? A. 3.0 D. B. 2.5 D. C. 2.0 D. D. 1.5 D. The correct answer is D. 1.5 D. In CPM and PERT method, activities are connected with each other in A. Overlapping manner. B. Finish to start manner. C. Partially finish to start and partially overlapping manner. D. Random manner. The correct answer is finish to start manner. The volume of soil to be excavated in its in-place natural state is called A. Basic cubic meter. B. Compacted cubic meter. C. Bank cubic meter. D. Natural cubic meter. The correct answer is A. Basic cubic meter. In case of hot-rolled steel section, a beam with a series of regular openings in its web is called A. Tapered beam. B. Castellated beam. C. Hybrid beam. D. Latticed beam. The correct answer is B. Castellated beam. Note: a castellated beam is a beam style where an I-beam is subjected to a longitudinal cut along its web following a specific pattern. The purpose is to divide and reassemble the beam with a deeper web by taking advantage of the cutting pattern. One of the following is not a earth excavation and lifting equipment. A. Power shovel. B. Bulldozer. C. Dragline. D. Backhoe. The correct answer is B. Bulldozer. In construction project management, sensitivity analysis is a modeling technique used. A. To determine impact of uncertainties having significant impact on project. B. To identify sensitive component of the project. C. To determine important activities of a project. D. To determine accuracy of budget estimation. The correct answer is A. To determine impact of uncertainties having significant impact on project. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.